Well, we're out here in Hawaii. Just got to our base camp on this big free range property that we're looking for black Hawaiian sheep. So, guys are back there loading up the UTV. We've already seen some sheep, and man, I gotta say, this place is beautiful. Stay tuned.
You got him.
Yes. One down.
Got some blood on there.
Arrow's still good.
Yeah. Awesome.
Got him.
Oh, got him. 83 yards. And he's hurt. Oh, man.
Bleed out on the inside.
Give him time. Let him lay back down.
That felt good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord. Yes. Awesome.
82-yard shot. Got a management ram and he's down.
right through. Clean through. Nice on Donald Mass.
Right
Good
on.
hustle, man.
Right on, Chris. Wow, you did that quick. Holy smoke.
Had to.
Right on.
Good shot placement. I didn't see. Yeah. It looked like on good shot.
It looks like there's blood on that arrow.
Yeah, I think there is blood on that. Bloody. Blood on them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Blood trail. Hey, what is that over there?
That is awesome.
I hear something. Look at that. Yes.
Looks good. Very good. Awesome. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Nice face. Oh, yeah, he's wide. Look at that.
That is a beautiful ram.
Oh, how old he is. Compressions.
That thing is cool, man.
Right on, Chris.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
What's your thoughts about this hunting? Hawaii hunting?
It is amazing. It's underrated, man. It's like best kept secret.
Perfect shot. Look at that. Right in the shoulder.
You were quick on that draw, and what I said, 25 yards? Yeah. Got him. I guessed him for 25 right as you said that. I split my 20 and 30. Look at his compressions. Yeah. How tight. What would you guys say how old this one is?
Look at his teeth.
Real, just by his teeth.
Yeah,
The
look
wear
at
and
that.
tear. That's a great one, huh?
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. That's awesome. Nice, man. He's run down. No, he's old. Great trophy. That thing is cool.
Awesome job.
Beautiful.
Well, our hunt is concluded. We're gonna hike on out. Packing up some meat right now. Dexter and John. Got some fog moving in. Hopefully we make it back before I need a jacket.
Holy smoke, that ran.
Ho!
Woohoo! Wow! What a shot! Oh, that's a trophy. You just upgraded.
What a beast, bro. That thing's a beast.
Holy moly! Wow! Oh, that broadheads are on. You are on. I was worried.
Wow.
I didn't even see him go down.
Watch
I was
this.
worried they kept on running.
I didn't think I saw 3 run that way. I thought I only saw 2.
Yeah, they didn't see it. Wow, look at that.
That thing's
Oh,
a
this is
beast.
a beauty.
What a beast. Oh, man. That happened fast.
Right on. Right on there.
So what just happened?
Well, we were coming out, the hunt was over, and then we saw some more sheep, and you guys told me this was a good one, and now I can see why.
You got some curls.
He was laying down, we waited, we kind of got him to move a little bit, and got a 62 or 65 yard shot, right?
65 yards.